If you're a pastor, an elder, or a counselor who noticed over the past few decades how psychology has infiltrated pastoral counseling and eventually destroyed the authority of Scripture, I want to invite you to the 10th annual conference of the Biblical Counselors Association of Africa, where I have the privilege to give 2 talks on this particular topic. And I'm going to talk about how psychology came from Germany into South African universities and over time infiltrated and eventually destroying the authority of Scripture. I'm going to give an overview on state universities in my first talk. And then in the second talk, I'm going to talk about the Reformed Church in South Africa from Potchefstroom, how they started well with some good work going on there. And then eventually over time, psychology also started to infiltrate theological training and pastoral counseling. Can I invite you to join us as we go deeper into understanding what happened and what is the solution for biblical counseling in South Africa in the year 2026?